Hi everyone, Gina here from Belly Beads, here today to bring you a tutorial on my new bead called the talking drum. So let's go ahead and start out with our paper bead roller. This one's a little bit longer and this is the Elmer's glue. I sell that also on my website. This paper bead roller is by JP Fun. The green one here that we have I've created, and I do sell them on my website, but the pin is a little shorter and accommodates other paper beads, whereas this one accommodates the larger one. I will have a paper bead roller to accommodate it, but that's soon to come. After conditioning your strips, that means running it through your fingers to create a smoother rolling. You want to go ahead and roll, but you're going to stop midway, and I'll show you when. Right here. As soon as you hit the cuts of the triple slits, you're going to go ahead and roll the first one. Now there are other ways of rolling this, but this is the one I'm going to choose to roll with. When you roll this strip, you do not want to center the strip in the middle. You want to continuously roll it to the side where it's shaped like a cone. So it's not being centered. All right, so as you can see how I'm rolling it, I'm keeping it very close to the edge. And this creates like a little cone shape. And as you are continuously rolling, you want to make sure that you got a good tension on it. Grab the glue, place a little bit, I'm very generous with my glue. I roll it right through the bead. All right, so let's start the second one. Second strip will be rolled at center, meaning you want to keep the strip right in the center, unlike the one we just previously did. So that's going to look almost like a round paper bead. So you want to continuously roll them, and then you're going to grab some glue and roll them once again and run it right through your bead. All right, just like so. See how that one's a little bit more round? Only the middle is supposed to be round. The two ends should look like a cone. Let's do the last one. You're going to roll this one, and you're going to make sure that the strip is not in the center when you're rolling. You're staying now all the way to the right, the edge of the bead, to create a flat edge. All right, so when you're done that, you want to grab the glue and then roll it. You want to be generous with your glue. I know I am. I like running it through the entire bead. All right, and then you want to roll it through. Now, the edge is probably not as prominent as the other one, but I'm going to show you a trick. See, that one's flat. That one's a little bit more like a bubble. Do not pull it off. You want to push it off from the back. Now, to create the same flat edge, you want to just push it through, and there you go. So if you push it a little bit, you've got it. And there you go, the talking drum. And that name was created by one of our followers in our group. And it comes in all these strips and all these colors. And the glue comes is also sold in my shop. But all these neat colors are at paperbeads.com. Also, oops, I have slippery hands. The paper bead roller is also sold there. So thank you very much. And if you like this video, please subscribe.